How to make Instagram reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to make reels on Instagram. So to make reels on Instagram, it's pretty simple. Make sure that your app is up to date and also check for an internet connection. So to begin with, you'll need to log into your Instagram account. So while you're logged into your account, go to your profile, and after that it's going to take you to the profile page. Here tap the plus icon from the top right, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see multiple options. So click on a reel. After you tap on reel, you'll be able to see all of these tools located right on top, such as camera, draft, trending, and whatever, templates and all that. If you want to use the camera feature, or if you want to take a recording currently, then tap the camera button, and you can also use filters and all that of thing. And if you want to start recording, then tap the circle icon or tap the white circle icon located right at the bottom. So once you've done that, you'll be able to see multiple icons located right in the corner. You can go ahead and add audio, you can go ahead and add effects, you can also tag people, you can also increase the speed and all that sort of thing. You can also add layout and whatsoever. Done that, you'll be able to see all sort of details. If you're sure about posting the particular reel, tap the next button. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the page where you can go ahead and add captions. You can also tag people, audience, your ad location, share to your Facebook, whatsoever, whatever you want to do it. So tap the share button, and that's how you can make Instagram reels. So in this way you can make Instagram reels. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.